Hello. First of all, can I just tell you not to buy the Flyeye stuff unless you've got the patience of a saint. What an absolute fucking nightmare this shit stuff is. If you see my previous video, you'll have seen that the Moret headlight has had already had the Flyeye stuff installed when I bought it. I do like the way that it does darken the lights without making them illegal, because it doesn't dull the intensity of the light. It just blocks a certain percentage of the light coming through, something like that. Anyway, they're still legal. So as you can see here, I've crudely, very badly, there's a couple of wrinkles, done one side light, and whilst yes, it has made it completely black nearly to the naked eye, and it's got rid of that whitey cream mark I was on about all the way around the edge. From a distance, looks fine. Cracking job. A little bit closer. Let's see if I can find some. There's a wrinkle there. A couple up the top. It's just with the concave of the lens. You can't heat it up. Well, you've got to heat it up to get most of the wrinkles out. It's just a nightmare to do. For me, anyway. I've got no patience whatsoever. So the tools that you will need. This is by no means a how-do. As you will see, I completely cocked this up. You will need whatever light you want covering. You want your chosen Flyeye. I wrongly ordered the white stuff first. This is the black stuff. A Stanley blade for getting in nice and close to the rubber edge and tucking the material in. A pair of scissors to make your initial cut. And a hammer to cave your fucking head in because you've been a complete and utter bellend by starting this. I think I'll speed the footage up here because it takes some time. Oh, and another thing you need, I don't know where I've put it, yeah. Your lass's hairdryer. Or, if you're a proper spice boy, your own hairdryer. Let's get on with it. And there we have it. A terrible product, applied terribly by a terrible person to go on a terrible car. I very much nearly did lose my rag completely with that one. Yeah, I'll go and put it in the car, see how it looks, but thankfully it'll just rip off if required. But if it looks half decent, I just leave them on, and I've already got a spare set to go with the car, because I thought it would be like window tint, it would leave a load of residue and whatnot. but it doesn't appear to be the case. So there, don't buy Flyeye, and if you do, get somebody that's half decent and has a bit of patience to do it for you. Because if you're anything like me, it'll just look like a bag of fucking shit. Now where's that drink? It's a little bit darker in the real light. Well, we'll see how it goes. Oh, look, it's come off already, man. Terrible. Yeah, they'll be coming off. Also the vents, I think I'm going to get a scoop, you know, the carbon fibre one to direct the air straight in that big ass air filter. I've got the 22B ones somewhere there, and one of the brackets snapped, so I'm busy repairing that. And I need a new grill. I think I'll get the version 6 grill that sits forward a bit more, and then we'll be ready for 2017. On the last video I mentioned about making a duct. It worked. It looks cowboy as hell, but I'll show you it. There it is. The air comes in here, up the tube to the air filter. It's all securely fastened in, so it's not going anywhere. It's not rubbing on anything, can't burst anything, all the edges are burred. Nice and smooth. And hopefully, like I say, we'll get the vent in from, get the carbon fibre scoop to direct the air straight on top, get a bit more cool air in. Maybe get some gold tape around the intercooler pipes. We'll see.